All right, just a quick video on a 2014 Ford Escape 2-liter EcoBoost. Customer had it towed in because the vehicle wouldn't accelerate. Basically, from like 10% throttle to 90%, it would do the same thing. It would actually just get worse the more acceleration you tried. So the harder you push down on the throttle, the more it would just bog and not accelerate. It would only go about 20 miles an hour. Acted like a restricted exhaust or a plugged up converter. I went ahead and scanned it, and it had a underboost code, a cylinder misfire code, and then a wastegate solenoid code. So I went ahead and pulled the front oxygen sensor, used my borescope to check the converter, and the converter looks fine. At that point, I checked the turbine side of the turbo, and it looked fine. Went to the impeller, the intake side of the turbo, and you can see it is destroyed. So the turbo is actually locked up, and then you can actually see where it was kind of eating itself up, where it was rubbing on the housing. So definitely a failed turbo. This thing's got about 102,000 miles on it. This is only the second one I've seen in the 2-liter EcoBoost, so something to watch out for. If you're having a lack of acceleration or a lack of power on your 2-liter EcoBoost, could be a turbo. My other thought would be, could be a plugged up converter. Hopefully this helps someone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.